Morning students, I am Republica Barone, Assistant Professor, Sam Downtown University, Department of Pharmaceutical Science. So today I will be discussing the practical related to the test performed for lipids. So the first test which I am going to discuss today for lipids is the Millon's test. So the objective of Millon's test is to detect the presence of amino acid containing phenol group, and phenol group means hydroxyl group attached to benzene ring, that is tyrosine. So now the principle of Millon's reagent is, or the Millon's test is, compounds containing hydroxybenzene ring or radical which react with Millon's reagent, they form red complexes. So the only amino acid here is the tyrosine, for which the specific test has been performed. So tyrosine only contains the hydroxybenzene ring. So this test is specific for the amino acid which contains tyrosine and the protein containing the amino acids. Tyrosine, when it's been, we can say that when it reacts with acidified mercury sulfate, it gives a yellow precipitate. After the addition of acidified mercury sulfate to tyrosine, we get a yellow precipitate of mercuric amino acid complex. So this mercuric amino acid complex, when it is being reacted with sodium nitrate and heated, a red complex is being formed. So that red complex, when red complex is formed, when it is reacted not only with sodium nitrate, but when it reacts with when it is being heated, then it provides the red color, and the mercuric amino acid complex, it converts to mercuric phenolate. So that was the principle of Millon's reagent. So now the reagents which are being used for the performance of the Millon's test is, we use 1% each of arginine, tyrosine and phenol solution for the test, and then we use the Millon's reagent as the acidified mercuric sulfate, which then we thirdly we just add the sodium nitrite, 1% of sodium nitrite we use as the reagent. So these three reagents are used for the performing Millon's test. And now I am going to discuss about the procedure, how the Millon's test is being carried out. So first of all, we will take 1 ml of the test solution, then 1 ml of test solution in one test tube, and in the other test tube we will take 1 ml of distilled water as control. And again we will just take 1 ml of Millon's reagent in another test tube. In together 3 test tubes we will take first the test solution, the distilled water and the Millon's reagent. The third 3 reagents each we will take for 1 ml, and then we will mix it well. After that we will keep it for boiling and gently for 1 minute. After boiling for 1 minute, we will keep it for cooling and then cooling under tap water. And after getting cooled, we will just add 5 drops of 1% sodium nitrate to it. Then again we will heat the solution slightly. Then after the solution is being heated, we will color observance will be seen in the test tube. And if the color of the test tube, the solution present in the test tube changes to brick red color, then we can confirm that the test is positive for Millon's test. So the procedure is, once again I repeat the procedure, that is 1 ml of test solution we take in one test tube, then 1 ml of distilled water in another test tube as control, and then we take 1 ml of Millon's reagent, that is the acidified mercury sulfate in another test tube. Then 3 things we just mix it well and then keep it for boiling for 1 minute. And after getting boiled, we will just cool the solution, and after cooling under tap water, we will add 5 drops of 1% sodium nitrate to it. Then again we will heat it slightly. Then that solution which we will get after heating it slightly, their brick red appearance will occur. And that appearance, when it occurs, then we can say that the test is positive for Millon's test. So this was a simple test. The other test which I will be going to explain in my next video. So this was the slight introduction, or I can say the procedure for Millon's test, and the other part of the procedure for other tests that we conduct for the test of lipids, I will be continuing it in my next video.